Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand on the proposition side because we believe that the massive involvement of artificial intelligence in the professional workplace is something to regret. While AI promises efficiency and innovation, it also comes with serious consequences. It reduces human value, threatens millions of jobs, and allows decisions to be made without understanding human emotion or fairness. The workplace should not only be about speed and productivity, but also about humanity, dignity, and justice. That's why we strongly regret the massive involvement of AI in professional fields, such as recruitment, decision making, and management. We regret the massive involvement of AI in the professional's workplace because it reduces human value and creates dependency of machine. In recruitment, for example, AI often fails to understand human qualities such as empathy, creativity, or emotional intelligence. In decision making and management, it may prioritize efficiency over fairness, which could harm employees. Therefore, the widespread use of AI threatens job security and ignores the human aspect of work. In conclusions, we finally believe that the massive involvement of AI in the workplace should be regretted. While technology can bring certain benefits, it also undermines human value, reduces job security, and creates unfair systems that ignore human emotion and morality. Work is not only about efficiency, but also about humanity, dignity, and fairness. Therefore, we must not let machines replace what makes us truly human.